Hello students. So in this video I will explain about electrolysis of acidified water. Okay. So students, water ionize. Okay, because water is a covalent compound. Already you know. And itself it will not ionize. It will ionize in presence of acid. Okay, and which is specially dilute H2SO4. Not HCl, neither HNO3. Means not hydrochloric acid or not nitric acid. Okay, so students, dilute presence of dilute H2SO4, water will ionize, and as ionization happens, so conduction, if the ionization means cation and ion will form. So if the water ionize, it will form cation means H plus and OH minus. Okay, in presence of dilute H2SO4. Why students? Because you know normal pure water or distilled water is non-electrolyte. They are covalent compounds, so they are non-electrolyte. In presence of H2SO4, they will act as a electrolyte. Okay. So students, sometime the question will come that why HCl HNO3 not used, only H2SO4 used. Student, that answer is because they HCl and HNO3 are the volatile acid, but H2SO4 are non-volatile. Okay, because non-volatile means you বাংলা যেটাকে বলে উদবায়ী, উড়ে যায় না. Okay, so that's why they can present in the solution without harming the products. Okay, because in this process you know hydrogen and oxygen gas will generated. If the acid is volatile, then what happens students, they will hamper the product. Okay, they will immediately convert it into gaseous state if they will volatile. That's why HCl and HNO3 is not used. Use only H2SO4. Okay, so in this process dilute H2 middle means it is act as a catalyst. Okay, catalyst means increase the rate of reaction. Okay, so that's why that is called catalytic electrolysis or catalysis also. Okay, reaction which happens in presence of catalyst, that is known as catalysis. Okay, so students, uh, electrolysis of acidified water, okay, not water, acidified water, is also known as a catalysis reaction. Okay, or catalytic electrolysis. Students, the cell is used in this process is a special type which is called Hofmann voltameter, this type. Okay. mm, mm, okay, this is the two electrode. Okay, so cell, so Hofmann voltameter, it is a special type of cell, and left side cathode negative, right side anode positive. It is not necessary that left side you must keep cathode, right side anode, but for a proper all electrolysis you have to remember, so you just remember in this way. Okay, it will be easy for to remember. NCR. Okay, negative cathode reduction, that is cathode. Positive anode oxidation, that is anode. Okay, so students, dilute H2 we are adding here. See, first we have taken the liquid normal water. Okay, so as soon as we add dilute H2 through here, they will enter and the electrolysis will begin. Okay, the electrode here used platinum. Okay, platinum foil or platinum electrode which is inert. Okay, here the same structure has given. So students, very easy. Water is present, after adding little bit dilute H2SO4, what happened, you can see the electrolysis will begin. Electrolysis will begin means simple ionization happens. Water will form two ion H plus and OH minus. Now students, H plus will move to cathode, OH minus anode. So in cathode the reaction will be like this: H plus E is equal to hydrogen. But simple hydrogen is diatomic, so 2H plus 2E form H2 gas. Complete. Now come to the anode. In anode OH minus will move, so OH minus will release one electron and another OH will be there, but this is not the proper way. So one OH add with another OH to form H2O plus O. That O is nascent, so the O another oxygen combined to form O2. That means 1O2 formation takes place. 1O2 formation takes place. Okay, we need to multiply this with 2, 2, 2, 2. Okay, both side. So 2OH means 2OH, and here also 2OH means that will be 4, 4, 4. So 4OH minus 4 electron and 4 OH. That 4 OH will convert into 2H2O and 2O2. Okay, so that is the reaction, and balancing you must do, you have to do. Why I am saying so? uh, so here, after balancing you can see 4 OH minus release 4 electron and 4 OH. That 4 OH will recombination with themselves and form 2H2O and 2O2 here. 2H, 2H, 2H2O, 2O2. Okay, so that is in anode oxygen gas. So in anode, in above, here oxygen gas will generated. In cathode students, you similarly you see hydrogen gas. So if you balance students, here you can see we multiplied with 4 both side. So here 2, so we need to multiply this complete equation with 2, means 4H plus with 4 electron form 2H2. Okay, that means now it's balanced. Okay, means balanced means you understand why balancing takes place, because number of moles of water or grams of water is reacting, that number of molecule of hydrogen and oxygen is producing. You need to check this. Okay, we need to check the actual amount. Okay, means one molecule water will dissociate to form how much oxygen and how much hydrogen. Okay, eventually to the electrolysis takes place, water of electrolysis of water takes place. So how much molecule water will dissociate to for produce how much molecule oxygen and hydrogen, that we need to calculate here. Okay, that you will calculate when, that you will calculate when you balance it. So right side we can see that one molecule oxygen will happens when 4 uh, hydroxyl ion will discharge. Okay, similarly students, we need to balance left side, we need to multiply with 4. So 4 OH minus means 4H plus, means they will 4 hydrogen H2 plus will produce 2 molecule of H2. So students, here you can see that if 2 volume 2 volume hydrogen gas is generated, oxygen gas will be 1 volume. Okay, means this side will be double. Okay, hydrogen gas will produce double amount compared to the oxygen gas. Okay, so that is the 2H2 here, that in electrolysis here 2H2 plus O2. Okay, that's why the complete reaction is 2H2O, 2H2 plus O2 means 2 volume hydrogen, 1 volume oxygen. Okay, that you need to understand by this process. Now students, one another thing, maybe you are thinking that H2SO4 is added, so sulfate ion is also there, SO4 2 minus. Okay, so sulfate ion also will move to the negative, means anode. Okay, means OH minus, OH minus ion is there. Similarly, SO4 2 minus ion is also there. Okay, and positive ion to only H plus. Okay, water is also H plus, because H2O and H2SO4 is there mixing. So H plus from H2O and H2SO4 also H plus. So cation will move to the cathode, no problem. But anion, it have OH minus and sulfate SO2. So which will go fast, which will discharge fast? There is a table, okay, there is a table which is present below, that will discharge fast. So below OH minus means OH minus will go ahead, okay, OH minus will discharge fast. Then iodine, bromide, iodide, bromide, chloride and sulfate. So that is the table. You can remember by this simple formula: slow caliber io, slow means sulfate above, then chloride, bromide, iodide, then hydroxides, okay. So hydroxide will discharge fast, okay. Now students, thank you. This portion has completed electrolysis of water, and we'll move to the next portion very soon. Thank you.